Hello, it's Dr. Rhonda Johnson. Today is Friday, January 19th, 2024. Well, January is Cervical Cancer Awareness Month, and today I'm talking about the very basic information around cervical cancer. But I want to first start with some statistics. More than 11,000 people in the United States are diagnosed with cervical cancer each year, and worldwide, cervical cancer is a leading cause of cancer among women and a leading cause of death from cancer among women. So what is the cervix? Well, the cervix is that part of the female anatomy that connects the vagina, which is the birth canal, to the upper part of the uterus or the womb where the baby grows during a pregnancy. So who is at risk for cervical cancer? Anyone with a cervix is at risk for cervical cancer, and it occurs most often in people over the age of 30. What causes cervical cancer? Well, one of the main causes is infection with certain types of human papillomavirus, HPV. Now, HPV is a very common virus. It's the cause of the common wart, but certain types are passed from one person to another during sex. And it's certain types of HPV infection that can cause cervical cancer. So what are the symptoms of cervical cancer? Well, abnormal vaginal bleeding or abnormal vaginal discharge. And what do I mean by abnormal? Remember, anything that's unusual for you. If it's not usual, you're normal, then it's abnormal. So how is it diagnosed? Well, the Pap test and the HPV testing can help find cervical cancer. So when should you start getting screened? Well, the screening recommendations vary by age, so it's really best to discuss it with your doctor or your healthcare professional. And really, it depends on the age of onset of sexual activity as well. So the good news is that through HPV vaccination, which is prevention, and regular screening can help detect cervical cancer early. The earlier it's detected, the earlier it's treated, the better the prognosis. So again, a brief message just to promote awareness about cervical cancer. All the information that I'm sharing today came from the cdc.gov website. Go in and search under cervical cancer, and you will get a wealth of information. That's my message today. Take care, folks, and be well.